This is my homemade quiet air, no gas WindMaster 2000 furnace. See in the back? It's just some snap circuit sets that you combined. Sorry for the unfocused camera, though, but yeah, there, it's focused. So see, there's the heat fan. That's part of the no gas. So the heat fan blows out of a fan into a heating element, which is heated by electricity. Then the heat, which it tells you when the heat is on, the cool tells you when the cool is on. See, it's the WindMaster 2000. It's a trademark. There's the brand logo. It's a trademark. And it's no gas furnace, which is a trademark. And it says, lower your gas bills. So I'm going to show you the back of it now. This will be the final thing before I start this up. So if you see right here, I combined Snap Circuit Lite with Snap Circuit Junior to create this, and Snap Circuit 3D Meg. And I connected the heat fan to the heat, so then we can have the heat fan turn on. And the cool just goes to the cool little module there. And each module has its own special thing to mean right now. So I'm going to close this. Come on, close. I gotta move it a little bit. Now close it. There. So now we're going to move the modules over a little bit because they might scrape. Turn on the cooling system. 3, 2, 1. See, and then the blue light lights up. Turn this off. I'm turning on the heat. The heat fan is on. It tells you that the heat is running. Kind of sounds like a Pulse 21 furnace. Kinda. But, yeah. Then there's the heat fan light. Here's the heat light. Turn them both at the same time. Got all 3 lights running. Pretty cool, isn't it? Ah! My finger's stuck in one. Okay, so that's it. And just so you know, I used a Nike box and a few Snap Circuit Lite diodes and the 2 fans from Snap Circuit Junior, which the old fan broke, so I got that glow in the dark fan. And there's my little propeller ceiling fan-like thing from the 3D Meg. And this is in pretty good shape because I just made it. And yeah, I made sure I used Sharpie so no smear. Bye.